la 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 la. Wash my ear yesterday. I can't even see. Wash my ear yesterday. And today we're going on a road trip. This one is I like to walk from as usual. The only job we can't force him to go and I want to. But we're going on a road trip today. Ah, c'est moy&matt. J'ai moy&matt. Des coucou. Alright, me just step out a little bit to stretch my legs. And now, back. Ruin. Ready to moy&matt.
Qui c'est qui va passer dans le tunnel?
I'm pretty good at saying thanks.
Ils ont creusé la montagne pour faire passer la route dedans. Voilà, tu vois où on va maintenant? Tu la vois la neige sur la montagne là-bas?
Ouais. You see, Jemai?
Tu vois où on va là?
You see, or you don't see? Coming. Happy? You happy? Now we can't see more and more. look for the hilltop, that's how we are going. Oh. You can imagine when time snow, when snow fall good at this place, yeah? The whole of here so wide. I love to live in one place like that. So.
Eh?
I love to live in one place like that. So.
Ouais.
Yeah.
Ouais.
Because it's just nice, it look nice. It look like it's out in the middle of nowhere, but the village is bigger than so where we live in now. But I've had job still.
Ah, laissez-moi conduire.
We soon reach Jamai.
28 minutes.
On the side, on the road, I put on your chain, on your wheel.
Comment ça la voir? Tu vas voir, plus on va monter, plus il va y en avoir.
Just go weird and I wanna go look there.
I'm afraid Matt, you know, they say. Matt, you come back, I'm afraid. Come back, I'm afraid, look there. Whoop! Look! You see, watch there again. If I go too deep now, Matt, you come back, I'm afraid. Come back. Come back.
Let's go.
No. No, come back, my friend. Oh, God.
She quitte mon fils, c'est aidez-moi.
No, but me, I start coming and me stuck. No, Mathieu, I'm afraid. No, I want to turn back. Oui, mais...
Ah, mais j'ai fait 2 heures de route là, c'est pas pour faire ça.
But it look deep. Then wait for me, 'cause I look deep, I'm afraid. I tell you, I have ice in my socks.
Faut pas les faire trop dur, hein.
But you cover your head.
Faut pas les faire trop dur, hein.
That's why I say put on your gloves.
Vous allez bien dedans. Regarde là. Pardon. J'ai pas des gants moi. Hein. Pardon. Hop, voilà.
Pardon, Maya, laisse-moi voir la bonhomme de neige. Les bonhommes de neige.
Ça c'est ta tête, mais attends.
Ouais, elle sont les queues.
La tête il faut... You can give me 5 minutes.
Regarde ce que sa tête. Éclaté.
Attends.
Elle a gardé pas, dis-moi, oui.
Tu vas la faire tomber. Je peux finir ou je peux pas finir?
Pas encore, bébé.
Je peux finir ou je peux pas finir?
Je vais walk with the carrot in my pocket, you know.
Moi je vais commencer les glous.
Comment tu lis?
La neige.
So we can change the clothes to everybody because as you can see, all of the proper gear we have on. So we can change the clothes to everybody to change after we done playing in the snow. So we were the riders on people that travel, because we carry just the riders. So the people that travel that because this is not the top. But I am afraid because we don't have chain. We don't have a chain for the tire. I might have just did that slide a while ago, so we decided to stop here. So, and then we're going go up more
Déjà, regarde,
by walking.
on va lui finir sa tête bien avec de la bonne neige là.
J'explose la neige.
Tant qu'elle tombe. Voilà.
Moi,
Là,
qui veut exploser sa neige?
regarde.
And this is about 2 hours and 10 minutes. Exactly 2 hours and 10 minutes away from home.
Et tu n'y as morté.
Allez, go, James, James.
Non?
Maya.
Dis-moi, elle est où ta carotte?
Jamal, viens avec la carotte. Come with the carrot, Jamal. Come with the carrot.
Monsieur Troisième. C'est quoi?
Oui. Maya, you happy?
Oui.
Take all the ice out of your shoes. Take the ice out of your shoes. And if you have 3 button pan enclosed now?
Oui, la carotte.
Attends, je vais mettre un peu de neige dessus.
Non, donne-la moi.
Oh, Jamal, Maya, go and go stand upside that in the computer. Tiens, hop là.
Mets-toi derrière, Jamal. Mets-toi derrière.
Ouais, super.
Il lui manque ces trucs là.
Il lui manque quoi?
Come, Jamal, you alone. Tiens, put mets les boutons.
C'est quoi ça?
Il faut qu'il ait quoi en haut?
Un bouton de bois. 3 bouts de bois.
3 bouts de bois?
Oui.
Qui ressemble à Ola.
Pour la tête? For your head, you need 3 pieces of stick, Maya.
Regarde.
Un bouton.
Let me find another one here, Jamal. Look. Très bien.
Jim, Mim.
Maya, turn around.
Maya.
Ouais, super. Turn around, Maya.
Regarde-moi, non?
Ouais, ma chou-fleur.
Allez, Gemma, il va de l'autre côté.
Attendez.
So there you have it, guys. Jamal and Maya first real snowman. The last time Jamal make a snowman, Jamal did about what? 1 year old. 1 or 2 year old when we just reached France. The winter after we reached France. Jamal made a snowman. I gotta put the picture in there. Ali Mimi, go! I'm gonna do snowball fight now. This my friend, every time I step in I walk in the snow, my foot go in and almost centimeter down. And I am so afraid. Medicine now I'm telling Jamaican people are afraid of snow. But yet still, when hurricane at Jamaica, my first hurricane, first time I experienced hurricane at Jamaica, you need afraid too.
Chaussettes.
Pourquoi ils sont mouillés?
Il y a de la rien, oui.
On va les changer après. Our socks with up, we'll change it after.
Ça prend au pied.
C'est pour ça que je ne mets pas la neige dans les bottes.
Mais je suis pas musulmane. C'est la neige qui me met de la neige dans les bottes. Moi, je suis plus mettre. Moi, je suis plus.
Comment il est mouillé en bas.
If you put them inside your shoes, you might go wet up your foot.
Ça va être plein d'eau.
Pour ne pas them, I don't know nothing
Dans
about.
le pire des cas, dans la voiture, on mettra le chauffage à fond et Mommy, elle a pris des affaires de rechange. Alors.
Jemai, bouge pas, je vais aller prendre une photo encore pour Marcel.
You understand why my wife can't swim, huh? Let me tell you, you put her in the water, do something.
Guys, my best picnic plan in the world. 3/4 of the things them where I was hoping and planning to carry. Me not have them. First, we went to the supermarket yesterday and said that we're going to eat hot dog today for picnic. We forgot to buy hot dog bread. This morning, while packing up the things, we left the house. I pack a bag with, I take down everything what I need to carry. And I say, alright, we're going to stop at bakery and buy bread so we can have bread to eat. Yes, we bought the bread But now, no mayo and no ketchup. So I have to come in the car now. I search the car because normally when we go to McDonald's or KFC, we would carry the mayonnaise and ketchup. Come put it in the car. I mean, I carry no handbag with me. I only find one mayonnaise. I mean, I find a ketchup. So this mayonnaise I go serve it all away. And the next thing, guys, we have tables and chair. The chair them in the car, but the table is at home in the garage because we're really excited to come a mountain. You can see snow. I figure 3/4 will be from your side. Put a road there. From here. Now I have to search the car because this car come like mirror popping. Everything in there. Everything in there. I found a mayonnaise, but I don't find any ketchup. My next compartment, that's what I never look. No. No ketchup, but I find mayonnaise. But thank God, we find mayonnaise. So, now, I can finish eating the picnic side. As you have nice, beautiful sun shining today. Snow everywhere. Do you mind if I find ketchup? Mayonnaise. You finish? And treasure? You're right. Eggs in this snow, see. A treasure. I'm gonna have the time of their life. The snow now fall all the time. Beautiful, beautiful. So nice sunny weather is out. So just that you have a whole heap of snow on the road here. And they enjoy themselves with it. Well, that is the reason why we took a trip to the mountains today so that they can enjoy snow this year before this season ends. Because in our region, in our area, we're having like spring type weather. So you know we're not getting no snow until next year again. Inshallah. Jamayuk. Because you have snow everywhere and glass and ice on the road. They keep on as a glass. People if you hear me say glass. So French. You say ice in a French. I'm gonna stop mix up English, French and patois if y'all notice. So we find one phone and one mask. We drop the mask and the girl gonna take the phone. Credit card, school bus card, and they look like a teenager or one young adult phone. So we're hoping somebody will call this phone so we can hand over the phone to that person, because if me lost my phone or if Alex lost his phone or something of the sort. And I can't, for me, please, Jamal, car come behind you. I would like that person to return my phone. Woo! Jamal, your shoes are going to full up of ice again. Go on, you have a car coming behind you. Don't run, Jamal. We could have come up more with the car, but I'm afraid they might get the park down the road, because when I time when it's slide, I want to have a chain for the wheel. The car down at the bottom. So we're climbing up the hill. We feel the breeze that we have to go. Put on my mask. I'm going to reach one hill. Check it back. Wow.
Non, tu viens.
Dis-moi là.
Mais parce que après on va descendre. C'est pas ça, mais.
Next time we come back to this place with the right equipment, huh? So we can ski.
Maintenant, on peut courir là-bas.
Allez Maya, à toi. Go. Jimmy, you have a time of your life. You have snow everywhere, but the time hot and super hot, you know hot.
No, we're not hot.
When they hot.
Just when the sun shines on me. But là, il faut aller comme des ablos ou whatever, et puis on est avec de l'eau.
What I told the boy have to slide down. I can count the people who have had masks. You tell them what I like to do? This is something where you see dog them run with the sled.
C'est un traîneau.
Comment?
Traîneau.
Traîneau. I don't know what name in English. But that more.
Le Père Noël, il est sur quoi?
Hein? Un sled?
Un sled.
Ouais.
Un box.
Ah, c'est bobsled. This look like a them make it do. The one palm.
Allez, là, là-haut. Allez, on reste avec ta maman, toi tu fais ça, moi je fais ça demain et
Ah! Maya go! I must do my magic with him. No? Hold this. Hold on. That you want help with? Wow, look that must ski good. Look, Matthew. Yes, mais nous, c'est un next one there. Jemai! Il a pas vu, Jemai. We are leaving. We are leaving, guys, before the sun goes down any further, or before everybody starts leaving all at once. And then you have chaos with the cars and figure down. So we are leaving. Until next time, we come back right as well. We depict with them. We can enjoy ourselves. Man and pick with them. Here you go, never black man. I'm so hot. We come back to which part? We did first, the which part the snowman there. We come back for the carrot. The carrot drop off. But you must go and pick up more. I want people to out with. One people. What is behind the carrot? Viens avec les carottes, Jamal. Peut-être il y a quelque chose qui l'a mangé, un animal qui l'a mangé les carottes. Viens. Viens. Viens, on va partir, viens. Ouais. Moy and Matt. Remember when they little bit fall in love, they used to carve out hard pantry. Well, Moy and Matt, Jemoy Maya. My name is E-A-H. Voilà. Jemoy and Maya. People here like a breath. Only a real Jamaican that understand this. We go a mountain and carry on back ice. But we used to do that in a little bit, you know. Every time we go to the beach, we pack up one bag of seashell and sea sand and something, come back. Because you know, I wanted the everlasting eternal road back. When I was young, but you not now. Because I came back the stone from lake because I want them. When I talk when I little bit with my sister and brother, them, that we used to do. We used to do, by the way. So Alex never comes, so I came back with the snow for Alex.